guys really rock the Valentine season, the month of Valentine, and I could see so many of videos of Shefali and Parag everywhere. And you guys are sitting in a very cozy ambience and relishing good meal and talking all about, Valentine's Day and your plans, etc. So, what are your plans in, to celebrate Valentine's Day in 2021?
We kind of celebrate Valentine's Day every day. We believe every day is made for love. So, but of course, since there is a Valentine's Day, a day dedicated to love, we try and do something special. Due to the ongoing coronavirus pandemic, I don't think we will be stepping out. But maybe just at home, eat, watching something nice on TV, enjoying each other's company, a glass of wine, good food. Maybe I can cook something for her. Yeah, so something like that. But a nice, quiet Valentine's Day evening at home is, I think, what we're going to be doing.
Seems to be going so strong and beautiful. So, what, according to you, are the key elements to make a marriage so alive, kicking, and successful like yours?
I think the foundation of our relationship, the core of our relationship is actually friendship. We are best of friends to each other. We are partners in crime together. I think that kind of really helps us um, overcome a lot of issues that marriage brings. We are we communicate very freely with each other. We are very expressive, and we can do all that because we're very good friends to each other. So I think the rock solid bond that we have is because we are friends first, and everything else later. And second thing, mantra for happy married life is wife is always right.
That no.
Well,
That doesn't put Shefali in a good light. It seems that Shefali is a very dominating wife, if you
no,
say
she's not
so.
at all. Yeah. I'm just saying we are more of friends than husband wife. We share everything. We do masti together. We are partners in crime, and we don't need any person, any friend other than Just 1 second.
Yeah, please. Parag was talking. Yeah.
हाँ तो मैं ये बोल रहा था कि like it's we are more of friends than husband wife. We do things together. We love doing things together. We love traveling, going out, and so the basic the core mantra in our happy married life is like we are more of friends than husband wife. And whenever there is a tiff, wife is always right.
Okay, so it's always Parag or you who's chasing the other person, who's wooing the other person, whenever there's a brawl or a tiff or fight, whatever.
The funny part is we don't really fight. A lot of people will be surprised to hear that, but we don't fight. We talk about things and we sort things out, and it's pretty easy between us. So it's not like we're chasing each other. Both of us give each other enough space to do our own things, and we make the most of it when we're together. So it's a very fun, chilled, cool, mature sort of a relationship where nobody needs to chase anybody. And we're very, very secure.
So who's more romantic, Parag is more romantic and expressive, or you are sort of more romantic and believe in expressing your
Hands down,
feelings?
Parag is more romantic and expressive. Hands down, he's the one who's always showering me with gifts and pampering me and singing songs for me, and he's the romantic type. We're very free with each other. We're very chill. We give each other our space. And I think it's because of this sort of a setup, Parag wouldn't want to leave because I have no problems with him going out or hanging out with the boys or taking his time off and work or whatever that it is. So I genuinely don't have any tips because there's nothing that I do to want so that he would chase me or be around me all the time. In fact, I'm the one kind of pushing him away sometimes that hello, I need my space now, you go do your thing.
I would like to ask you, I mean, who is high maintenance, you or शेफाली? आप like कितने शेफाली को आपने इस साल वैलेंटाइंस पे क्या गिफ्ट लेकर दिया?
Yeah,
वैलेंटाइंस डे में सॉरी
मतलब
It's a
आप क्या
special
लेकर देने
Valentine's Day.
वाले, वैलेंटाइंस का क्या सरप्राइज गिफ्ट आपने प्लान किया? एंड
मैंने
हाउ
अभी तक
ऑफन
सोचा नहीं
एक्चुअली,
है।
हाउ
मैं वैलेंटाइंस डे पे ऐसा कोई गिफ्ट नहीं देता हूँ, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट। मुझे लगता है कि जब भी मेरा मन करता है गिफ्ट देने का, मैं उनको वैसे ही कभी भी लाके गिफ्ट दे देता हूँ, और कार्ड तो मेरे उनके पास ही रहता है, तो she can buy anything whatever she wants.
I keep gifting myself all the time.
Okay.
But yeah, I'm fond of jewelry, and Parag gets a lot of jewelry for me. I'm really, really fond of jewelry. And I think last year on Valentine's, he'd given me a bracelet. And I think this Valentine's Day it might be earrings. I'm giving him a hint.
So how you guys are spending your time these days after, you know, the lockdown period is also over? So what all is keeping you busy now?
Work is keeping us busy. Parag has been constantly shooting. I think from the month of June he's been shooting. So he's hardly been at home. Two of his shows are on air now. So he's hardly been at home. And yes, I've been home more because I've not been able to travel because of the pandemic. But I'm keeping myself busy. There's lots of things to do at home. I've been able to give a lot of time to my personal interests, my hobbies, and just chilling. At home. I mean, we work so hard to build a home, and then we don't get the time to be at home. So I really enjoyed my time at home in the lockdown. The life was slow, and I kind of enjoyed the slow pace of life. It was a wonderful change.
तो आप लोग पराग वर्क फ्रंट पर और पर्सनल फ्रंट पर होम में कैसे आप एक बैलेंस स्ट्राइक करके चलते हैं कि
ऐसी हम जो टीवी इंडस्ट्री के जो हम एक्टर्स हैं, बेसिकली हमारी जो जॉब है बहुत डिमांडिंग है, उसमें हम 12 घंटे शूट करते हैं, ट्रैवलिंग है, ये सब होता है, लेकिन मैं कभी उसको अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ को हैम्पर नहीं होने देता हूँ। आई मेक श्योर कि आई स्पेंड एनफ टाइम विद हर, आई मेक श्योर आई स्पेंड एनफ टाइम विद माय फैमिली। जब भी उनको कुछ करना होता है, मेरा कभी की कल शूट है वो आड़े नहीं आता है, शी वांट्स टू गो आउट, शी वांट्स टू डू एनीथिंग, सो आई एम ऑलवेज रेडी फॉर इट कि यार, बिकॉज मैक्सिमम जो रिलेशनशिप हमारी इंडस्ट्री के हैं वो इसीलिए नहीं हो पाते बिकॉज हम लोग ज्यादा प्रेफरेंस देते हैं अपने काम को देन आवर फैमिली। सो आई ट्राई टू मेक अ परफेक्ट बैलेंस बिटवीन देम। मैं नींद कम ले लूंगा, लेकिन मैं अपनी फैमिली को, परी को टाइम पूरा स्पेंड करता हूँ उनके साथ।
तो घर पे ऐसे कौन से काम हैं जो आप लोग एक साथ में करना पसंद करते हैं, और शेफाली आप करना पसंद करती हैं और पराग उन कामों में आपकी हेल्प करते हैं?
साथ में तो हम सिर्फ टीवी देखना पसंद करते हैं। बाकी मुझ में सफाई का कीड़ा है जो पराग में बिल्कुल नहीं है। वो गंद बचाते रहते हैं, मैं सफाई करती रहती हूँ। And yeah, we love watching a lot of movies. We like listening to music. So we do have a full-time cook because I can't cook. But Parag learned how to cook in the lockdown because he had a lot of time at hand. So yeah, so Parag cooks. I don't enter the kitchen. I don't like it. I can't cook to save my life. और काम as such मतलब क्या मतलब,
अरे हम साथ में जब मैं कुक करता हूँ तो टेस्टिंग ये करते हैं, तो ये काम हम साथ में
वो काम हो ही गया। नमक कम है ज्यादा है।
वो एक्चुअली बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट होता है। रिव्यू इज वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट।
Yeah, so he cooks and I review.
Great. So, you know, you guys are health conscious and gym freaks too. Tell us something about your gym routine and diet routine too, and how do you help each other in, you know, sharing tips on fitness and gymming?
So, Parag's routine is very different from mine, of course. His goals are different, my goals are different. But yeah, he's very knowledgeable and he shares his knowledge with me. Nutrition wise, he's very, very knowledgeable. And the kind of food that we eat, I think we live a very healthy lifestyle. We don't enjoy fried food and junk. We like simple home cooked meals with a lot of protein in it. And so we watch our macros, and because of Parag's knowledge on the subject, it's really, really easy for us. And exercise, yes, we both love the gym, but his kind of workout is very different from my workout. I mean, I'm more into functional and body weight training, and he's into heavy weights. I do yoga, he doesn't do yoga. I also do some cardio. So our fitness goals and routines are very, very different.
And how frequently do you... जी,
Sorry, how frequently?
No, you were saying something.
मैं ये बोल रहा था कि हम लोग मोस्टली पहले कोशिश करते थे साथ में जिम जाए, और
जी।
साथ में वर्कआउट करें। हमारे ट्रेनर सेम कॉमन ट्रेनर है, हम लोग एक ही ट्रेनर को शेयर करते हैं। और लेकिन अभी शूटिंग की वजह से मैं नहीं कर पाता हूँ, लेकिन कोशिश करता हूँ साथ में वर्कआउट करें। एंड शी ऑलवेज, जब भी इनका कोई गोल होता है कि अच्छा पापा ये करना है वो करना है, देन आई ट्राई टू हेल्प हर इन
Yeah,
टर्म्स
he
ऑफ।
really motivates me because, even after he's had a long day at work, he makes it a point to go to the gym either before he goes for a shoot or after he comes back. So he's always that way. I mean, I have my lazy days when I really don't want to work out or exercise, and then that's when he motivates me. So, um, we motivate each other. Us happy, we sleep better, and it's become a part of our life. And it's been over 15 years that I'm working out now. So it's not something that happens overnight or maybe in a month's time. No, it's all
Right.
the hard work that you put in over the period of time. That's what shows, and that's what you see right now. It's a
True.
lot of dedication, a lot of hard work. We are very particular about our diet, but yes,
We have a cheat day.
one
Cheat day in a week.
meal a week is a cheat meal. Usually happens on a Sunday or a Saturday. We either order it at home or maybe go out. But right now, because of the coronavirus pandemic, we're not stepping out too much. We try and be home. Yeah.
Okay, so since people have also already started traveling to Maldives and many other exotic destinations and locations, are you guys also having any similar plans?
Parag has no time. I've been
Okay.
planning ever since the flights have started. I've been trying to plan a holiday, but Parag has been shooting like 40 days in a month. So there's no window for us to travel. But I did tell him that, in the month of March, I don't care. We have to go out somewhere. And I think Maldives we were planning. So
Yeah.
the weather will be nice, and Parag may be able to get 3-4 days off, and then we take off.
In Big Boss, and who you actually think should win and who should not win?
It's very difficult to say at this point who will win, but I do know that the top two spots are going to be taken by Rubina and Rahul in no particular order right now. They're both my favorites. Rahul is doing really, really well, and Rubina has been doing very well too. So let's see, it's just round the corner, the finale, and I think the fan followings are also very, very strong. It's going to be very difficult to predict who may win, and I'm really excited to know who would win, but either Rubina or Rahul, because both of them have been my favorite.
And what about Rakhi? Because people are really liking Rakhi and she has this huge fan following.
He's definitely one of the best entertainers that the house has. In fact, over the past 14 seasons, I think she's one of the most entertaining Big Boss contestant ever. Yes, she does cross her limits sometimes, and people may like that, but I do not like that. But you make mistakes in the Big Boss house, and that's okay. But she's definitely a fantastic entertainer. It's fun to watch her.
तो पराग, आप बिग बॉस हाउस में कब जाएंगे? कब हम आपको देख पाएंगे बिग बॉस में?
I have no idea. अभी तक तो
it's a commitment. It's a very long
yeah.
commitment, and it's a very very you need to be really sure about it before you want to go inside the Big Boss house. So I think
But I would definitely love to go whenever I get time. अभी मेरे शो चल रहे हैं और कभी ऐसा ऑफर आता है जिसमें मैं अपना वो कमिटमेंट दे पाऊंगा तो मैं डेफिनेटली करना चाहूंगा।
अच्छा पराग, शेफाली की पर्सनालिटी के कौन से ऐसे एलिमेंट्स थे जब वो बिग बॉस हाउस में थी तो आपको बहुत ज्यादा वो अच्छे लगते थे? और आप खुद कौन से ऐसे एलिमेंट्स हैं अगर आप जाएं वहां पर तो आप जिनको अवॉइड करेंगे?
ये शेफाली वाज हरसेल्फ इन बिग बॉस हाउस। सबसे बड़ी चीज थी, उन्होंने मुखौटा नहीं पहना था, जबकि सबने मुखौटा पहना था जो हफ्ता 2 हफ्ते 3 हफ्ते में निकल गया था। ये अकेली ऐसी थी जो उनकी रियल पर्सनैलिटी है वही बिग बॉस के अंदर थी, और शायद वही सबसे बड़ी स्ट्रेंथ थी उनकी। अगर मैं जाऊंगा तो मैं भी कोशिश करूंगा सेम जो मैं हूँ वही रखने की अपनी पर्सनैलिटी को, क्योंकि कोई एक फेस लेके जाता है ना, नकली चेहरा, तो वो बहुत जल्दी निकल जाता है। और इनकी सबसे बड़ी जो स्ट्रेंथ है वो है फ्रेंडशिप। जब ये दोस्ती करती है तो दोस्तों के लिए जान रख देती है, जो कि इन्होंने बिग बॉस हाउस के अंदर भी किया था। तो सबसे बड़ी क्वालिटी मुझे वही लगी थी, और सेंसिबिलिटी जो इन्होंने वहां पर दिखाई थी। लोग छोटी छोटी बातों पे झगड़ा करते थे, ये उनको कोशिश करती थी
I was always trying to be the problem solver, not the problem creator.
इसमें सबसे बड़ा एग्जांपल रोटी का था. लोग बोलते थे इसको 2 रोटी देना है, 4 रोटी देना है. Then she took this matter in her hand. उन्होंने बोला अच्छा आपको कितना चाहिए? Don't worry about anything. जितना आपको चाहिए मैं उतना बनाऊंगी. मैं उनके लिए सबके लिए एक्स्ट्रा रोटी बनाती थी. And she was the one जिन्होंने बिग बॉस हाउस के अंदर ड्यूटीज डिवाइड की थी कि एक टाइम पे ये करेगा, दूसरे टाइम पे वो करेगा. एंड आई मीन भले वो किचन का हो या जो भी ड्यूटीज वहां पर होती थी, बर्तन धोने का, नहीं तो एक ही आदमी मेरे ख्याल से 3 बार बर्तन धोता रहता था.
या बहुत अच्छी से ड्यूटीज डिवाइड
की थी उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे से. तो शी वाज प्रॉब्लम सॉल्वर और दोस्ती बहुत अच्छी निभाई थी इन्होंने हमेशा. और
दुश्मनी भी बहुत अच्छी
दुश्मनी
तो अभी आप किस किस के टच में हैं शेफाली? आपके सीजन के टाइम में आसिम थे और रश्मि देसाई थी.
Most of us are in touch. In fact, just last night I met Aarti. Bhau and me are very close. We meet Bhau very often. I'm in touch with most of the people. We have a WhatsApp group, all of us. So we are constantly in touch with each other, and सबकी हाल चाल खबरें पूछते रहते हैं. It was wonderful. I mean, our season, I made some wonderful friends and friends for life.
तो सबसे ज्यादा दोस्ती आप किसके साथ निभा रही हैं अपने सीजन के बिग बॉस हाउस?
I think Bhau, Aarti and Vikas Gupta. These 3 people are very, very actively,
they're part of our life.
Part of our lives now.
But I mean, Vikas Gupta, everybody was expecting, so much from him. But in this season, I don't know what happened to him that he was not able to, come so far in Big Boss house. What do you have to say about it? If at all you want to say something.
Vikas is not feeling really well and he's going through a lot of personal issues. He has been going through for the past 2 years or so. So I guess that's why he couldn't give it his best shot. But I know he's going to emerge stronger, come out stronger. What doesn't kill you only makes you stronger. So Vikas is going to come out winner.
Right.
So it's a phase. It will pass.
Okay. So Shefali, I really admired your sense of styling and fashion also in Big Boss house. So what keeps you inspired and what's your personal style of fashion?
I mean, I just like to wear clothes that are comfortable. I mean, especially in the Big Boss house, it did make sense to wear a sari in the Big Boss house because that's not how you dress at home. So in the Big Boss house, whatever I wore is the kind of clothes I wear at my house. Very comfortable, very athletic, sporty. Athleisure is my style. So I like that kind of clothes, and that's what I continued with Big Boss house, and people really liked it, and I'm very happy for that.
So you're a brand sort of a person, a brand conscious person, or you just pick anything, that appeals you and that makes you feel comfortable?
No, I'll be honest with you. I am particular about brands because I like the quality. Quality is very important for me. So I cannot pick up something from the road. I'll be very honest with you. I have certain brands that I wear that fit me very well, that are very comfortable, which look good on me, and they kind of reflect my personal style. So I do prefer brands, yes.
Great. And what about you, Parag? How brand savvy are you?
To be very honest, मुझे जो भी comfortable कपड़े लगते हैं मैं वो पहनता हूँ और मेरी more than 90% शॉपिंग यही करती हैं क्योंकि उनको पता है मैं बहुत कम खरीदता हूँ यार. मेरी आदत ही नहीं है बहुत ज्यादा बाहर जाके खरीदने की या कोई भी ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग करने की. और ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग मुझे मजा नहीं आता है करने में. तो शी इज द वन हर महीने कुछ ना कुछ ऑर्डर करती रहती है मेरे लिए. हर हफ्ते हर 2 हफ्ते में कुछ ना कुछ ऑर्डर करती रहती है. तो शी इज द वन हु स्टाइल्स मी एक्चुअली.
Great. So my final question to you, please tell me characteristics or qualities, Shefali, that you like and you love in Parag. और Parag, आप भी मुझे बताइए, what do you like the most in Shefali? Qualities, habits.
Parag is extremely patient. I love his patience. He's very warm. He's kind-hearted. He's a perfect gentleman. He's responsible. He's a great son. He's a great husband. He has all the qualities, that most of the girls are looking out for. tall, dark, and handsome, fit, and he really looks after me, and he loves me a lot, and I know that, and I love that about him.
मेरे तो यार एक पूरा पैकेज है एक्चुअली। मैं एक छोटे से टाउन से बिलोंग करता हूँ। मैं तो हमेशा ये बोलता हूँ कि यार मेरी तो लॉटरी लग गई है। But she was actually when I saw her, मुझे लगता है ताकि she is actually out of my league। मैं एक छोटे से टाउन से रहने वाला और कभी सोच भी नहीं सकता कि शेफाली जैसी लड़की के साथ मेरी शादी होगी। जितनी वो खूबसूरत बाहर से हैं, उससे ज्यादा खूबसूरत वो अंदर से हैं। उनका दिल बहुत अच्छा है, वो लोगों को बहुत प्यार करती हैं, अपने फ्रेंड्स के लिए तो जान अच्छी लगती हैं। मेरे पेरेंट्स का ध्यान रखती हैं, अपने पेरेंट्स का ध्यान रखती हैं और मेरा बहुत ज्यादा ध्यान रखती हैं। तो ये बहुत सारी क्वालिटीज हैं, आपको क्या क्या बताऊं यार। ये दिल की इतनी साफ है, जितना इनका चेहरा साफ है उससे ज्यादा दिल की साफ है।
वाह वाह वाह।
तो मेरे पे डबल लॉटरी लगी एक्चुअली।
नहीं, हमने बिग बॉस हाउस में देखा था, ज्यादातर शेफाली आपके बारे में बिग बॉस के थ्रू ही पता चल पाया था। दो वी सॉ योर परफॉर्मेंस इन सम नंबर्स, गुड सॉन्ग्स एंड नंबर्स आल्सो, बट ज्यादा आपकी पर्सनालिटी का एक जो साइड था वो बिग बॉस हाउस के थ्रू निकलकर बहुत सामने आया था और लोग आपसे कनेक्ट भी कर पा रहे थे। तो आई वाज रियली होपिंग कि शायद आप भी दोबारा बिग बॉस हाउस में आएंगी या फिर पराग आएंगे, but maybe we'll save it for next time. And I really
Yes.
wish to see you next time in Big Boss House. And thank you so much.